In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on TikTok. After creating your TikTok account, you want to change your email address, maybe for security or other reasons. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your TikTok homepage, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile icon and tap on it. Proceed to tap on this three ellipses at the top right corner. Proceed to select on settings and privacy. There you are. This will land you on an interface like this. Under account, proceed to select on account. On this interface, continue to tap on account information. So you have the option to change your email address by first tapping onto email, then continue to tap on change email. A 6-digit code will be sent into your email address for your verification purpose, after which you have the option to enter your new email address. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to check out our next video. See you in the next video.